For all UOB students, follow this video tutorial to better protect your email and privacy. Head over to the University of Balamand website. Scroll down and click on iMail to proceed to sign in to your UOB email. Fill in the necessary information, your email and password. Sign in and click Next. Before proceeding, download the Microsoft Authenticator app from your phone's App Store or Google Play. The mobile split screen on the right shows you how to complete this step. Next, launch and open the Microsoft Authenticator app and scan the QR code now on your screen. Enter the code you receive on your phone. From then on, it's easy access to your UOB email. Attention! Once you have registered, your second sign-in will request a new code to be entered on your phone. And for any inquiries, contact the UOB IT department.